Hello and welcome, I'm Dr. Afaq, and in this video I will show you how to simulate a simple power cycle using Aspen HYSYS. In the simulation, water first enters a pump where its pressure increases. Then it is heated to convert it to vapor. The vapor passes through a turbine or expander where the pressure decreases and power is generated. After that, the fluid goes to a cooler and its temperature decreases to convert it back to liquid. The cycle continues continuously. In the component section, we need to select our component. In this example, we have only water, so we select only water here. Okay. The next step is selecting the thermodynamic model. So click on fluid packages. And in this section, we select IF97. It is good thermodynamic equation for predicting the properties of the water. Okay. Now click on simulation. In this section, we need to select our equipment. So click on pressure changer and select a pump. And also select expander. Okay, and now click on heat transfer, select a heater, and also select a cooler. Okay, finally we select a stream. Double click on S1. The temperature is 25 and the pressure is 101, and our mass flow rate is 1000 kg per hour. Okay, now click on composition. The mole fraction of the water is 1 because we have only the water. Okay. Now double click on pump. Our inlet for the pump is the stream 1, and for outlet we have 2. The energy is PP. Click on worksheet. For the stream 2 you can specify the pressure. So for stream 2 we have 1000 kilopascal for the pressure, so the pressure increases in the pump. Okay. Now double click on heater. Our inlet is 2, outlet is 3. For the energy we use QH. Okay, now click on parameters. Our delta P is 1 kilopascal, and now click on worksheet. The outlet temperature is 300 degrees C. Okay, and now click on turbine. Our inlet is 3, our outlet is 4, and the energy that's generated is PW. Okay, now click on worksheet, and for the pressure we use 101. Okay, as you can see, our pressure decreases, and now we have a power that this power is generated. Okay, here you can see the power that we created or generated here. Okay, and now double click on cooler. Our inlet is 4, outlet is 5, and for the energy we use a QC. Okay, now click on worksheet. The outlet temperature is 45. And you can click on design and click on parameters. We use 1 kilopascal for our pressure drop. Okay, and now click on flow sheet, and here you can change the direction. Now click on view, and here click on manipulator, and we select recycle. In this section in recycle, our inlet is 5 and our outlet, for example, is 6. Okay, now delete this one. Double click on pump again and click on design, and we use 6. Okay,